Today agenda, tomorrow agenda.
No, we were there for CEC meeting in Delhi for Puducherry.
Sir, okay.
The negotiations are still on. We are just we'll see.
Rahulji is next coming Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, he will make the program for Tamil Nadu as well as Pondicherry. All leaders will come and campaign in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry.
Rahul Gandhi कब आ रहे हैं?
Yeah, we will send a program after one proll. We'll update you.
Sir, likely Tamil Nadu, also the Pondicherry, also the DMK Congress can have some issues and seats and the DMK.
No issues. No issues.
Any alliance thoughts?
Everything will be smooth and okay. Okay.
சார் தமிழ்நாட்டில் போட்டி போடுற அந்த 28 வேட்பாளருடைய நேர்காணல்
very short, very short. Right.
Thank you.